Today we're gonna go and find treasure in the house. Let's go. Papa.
Yeah, let's go. What's first?
Flower.
Flower. Where is flower? Show me first, honey.
Yeah.
Yeah? Ah, okay. You found
I
flower.
found bag is there.
What's that? Bug?
Yeah.
This is bug? Okay, it's fly. Okay, it's a fly. Bugs. Okay, let's go next.
Big.
Check it, please. What's next?
Brown leaf.
Leaf? Dry leaf?
Brown leaf.
Brown leaf?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. How many brown leaf on the floor?
One.
One. Sure?
Many.
Yeah, many leaves. What's next?
I think some mini fishy over here.
What are you looking for? Susu, read on the paper first. What are you looking for? And tell me out loud, please.
Rocks. Rocks.
Rocks. Okay. You found many rocks on the floor. What's next?
Green leaf.
Green leaf? Okay. These are green leaves.
Spider web.
Spider web? Is there any spider web around here? Where is it? Okay, we found spider web. Check. What else?
I forgot to say green leaf.
Green leaf. What else, honey?
Bug tree. Over there.
What's that?
Bug tree. Bug tree.
Yeah, bug tree. Show me first. Show me, show me. Bring me to see the bug tree together. Tree bark, honey. That's tree bark, right? Okay. What else?
Papa.
What is that? What is this? Fern, right?
Fern.
Yeah.
Tree.
Tree? Okay, tree.
I think
Check.
it's still raining.
Yeah, it's still raining. It's okay, honey. It's rainy day. Check.
Tree is in suppose. Wait a minute.
What's next? What are you looking for?
Water.
Yeah, water.
Yeah.
Yeah. The water come from.
The tap.
What else?
Sand or dirt.
Dirt,
There.
right?
Yeah.
Go. Show me, please. Yeah, sand or dirt. What else?
I think.
How
Look
about
for birds.
bird? Let's see. Have you seen bird? What is that sound? Is the bird sound?
Whoa.
Oh,
I found ants.
Ant?
It's
Really?
over here is.
no,
go
this was bug,
somewhere.
right?
There.
That? Okay, ants. You found ants. Check.
How about birds?
Bird? You have to look in the sky. Come on. Have you seen bird?
Sunny, but I cannot find.
It's raining. It's still raining. There's no bird here. How about cloud? Have you seen cloud?
No.
No, right? It's a cloudy day. Actually, it's cloud in the sky.
Mm-hmm.
What else?
There's only two left.
What's that? What are they?
Butterfly and
And
bird.
butterfly and bird. Oh, butterfly! You there. Right? Yeah, you found butterfly. Good. And the last one is
Bird, butterfly,
bird.
bird.
So, what's that? What's that?
Bird.
Yeah, see? Yeah, bird. Good job, honey.
Yay, for all.
Yeah, that means you can.
Eat ice cream.
Yeah, okay. Say bye-bye to everybody first.
Bye